Hello friends, today we are going to perform the practical from the Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 2. The aim of today's practical is to perform the synthesis of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline from aniline. The general reaction involved in this synthesis is when aniline reacts with the bromine in presence of glacial acetic acid, it will form 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Basically, the bromination takes place. This reaction is a electrophilic substitution reaction. So the first step, you can say the mechanism for this reaction. First step is generation of electrophile. When bromine reacts with glacial acetic acid, then it gets under hydrolysis to form electrophile and the nucleophile. Now this electrophile attacks on your benzene ring of the aniline. So second step of the reaction is attack of electrophile on the benzene ring. When electrophile bromine attack on the aniline ring, then it attacks on the ortho and para position. As bromine is halogen and that halogen is your ortho para director. So when attack of bromine takes place on the ortho and para position, it will form finally 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Thank you. Students, now we will see the synthesis method or procedure for the synthesis of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline from aniline. First of all, you have to dissolve the aniline in glacial acetic acid. This mixture you have to take into the iodine flask. After preparation of this solution, in the another flask, you have to prepare a solution of bromine in glacial acetic acid. This solution you have to add into the first solution, that is the aniline and glacial acetic acid by drop. So, as this reaction, this bromination reaction is the exothermic reaction, so the heat is evolved during the reaction. For that purpose, you have to cool the content of the flask. After cooling the content of the flask, you will get yellow colored product. As bromination we have carried out, so there may be the chances of excess bromine present in the reaction mixture. So you have to wash the content with plenty of water. After that, report the yield and melting point of the compound. Thank you. Students, we have studied the reaction mechanism involved in the synthesis of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline from aniline, and also we have seen the procedure for this synthesis. Now practically we will start the synthesis of 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. This reaction, as this is the bromination reaction, so this reaction should be carried out compulsory in fuming mode. Okay, so we will start the reaction. For this reaction we will require iodine flask, then beaker. Okay, the next step is in first step we have to take aniline in glacial acetic acid. I have already taken this, and in second step we have to add a mixture of bromine in glacial acetic acid into the first mixture, that is the mixture of aniline and the glacial acetic acid by drop with a shaking, as this reaction is also exothermic reaction. Okay, so while handling the bromine you have to take greater precautions because the vapors of bromine, and also if it split on your skin, then also the skin burn may arise. So I have started the practical. I am adding the bromine solution drop by drop into the aniline and glacial acetic acid solution. After complete addition of bromine, the electrophilic substitution reaction of aniline takes place, that to form 2,4,6-tribromoaniline. Now you can see this product like this. We will get the product like this. Now we have to proceed for the filtration, and then we will proceed for the calculation. After completion of reaction, we will proceed for the filtration. Now you can see the filtration. The product is formed in the vessel. After filtration of the product, I have proceeded for the drying of this product into the hot air oven, and after drying the product, this you can observe these crystals of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Now we will proceed for the calculation part. Students, now we will see the calculation part of our today's practical, that is the synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. 93.13 gram of aniline is equivalent to 329.81 gram of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. As we have taken 2 gram of aniline, so we have to find out of how much gram it is equivalent. Okay, means 2 gram of aniline is equivalent to x gram of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. So just by cross multiplication, that is x is equal to 2 into 329.81 divided by 93.13, we will get the value of x, that is the theoretical yield, as 7.08 gram. Okay, now we have to find out the percentage yield. The formula for percentage yield is equal to practical yield upon theoretical yield into 100. So our practical yield is 4.8 gram and our theoretical yield is 7.08 gram. So 4.8 divided by 7.08 into 100. By calculating this, we will get answer 67.79%. So finally, we can conclude our result as the percentage yield of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline was found 67.79%. Students, now we will see the question bank. First question, give the principle involved in synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Second question, give the reaction involved in synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Third question, give the mechanism of reaction involved in synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Next, explain the question while handling the bromine solution. And the last question, draw the structures for aniline, acetic acid and 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Students, I hope you have understood our today's practical, that is synthesis of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline from aniline. Thank you.